Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony with Peaceful Living Organics. This will be a quick video on how to make DIY laundry soap. So I will apologize in advance. We are dog sitting for a friend of mine, and I have a Yorkie poo here, and she's a little bit chatty this morning for some reason. But easy, quick DIY laundry soap that I make. And I specifically use this with my sheets and my towels because the baking soda and the Epsom salts together get into the fibers of the sheets and the towels and make them fluffy. So I've used it on some older towels to rejuvenate, if you want to call it that, to make them fluffy like they are when you buy them brand new. So good idea to use them with the towels and the sheets. You can use them on anything because this is laundry soap, but I specifically use it on towels and sheets. So again, easy peasy. You need a measuring cup, some Epsom salts, some baking soda, and some borax. And of course a container. So I have one of these little containers here. I think I got it at Michael's, and I got the little scoops so I can scoop it. And it's about a half a cup per load, by the way. So just a little container. And I think I got this, the whole little set for like $6 with a little basket and everything at Hobby Lobby. That's where I got it. So we're going to start with, bear with me because I'm looking at a recipe as well. It's 3 cups of baking soda. So use baking soda and 3 cups. And I have a mixing bowl. I suppose I should show you that as well. And then 2 cups of borax. And 1 cup of Epsom salt. So 3, 2, 1. 3 cups of baking soda, 2 cups of borax, and 1 cup of Epsom salt. Okay. And then I mix it up. I use my hands to mix it. And really that's it. Very inexpensive laundry soap. Works well on everything, from jeans to shirts to typical laundry. I specifically use it on my sheets and my towels because it refluffs them for me. And I use, you can use, well, any type of essential oil. So today I'm in a lavender kind of mood, so I'm going to use lavender. I have used lemon, because lemon is a natural whitening agent, or orange, a natural whitening agent. So it helps your whites, but it doesn't hurt your colors. Don't get wrong there. But if you're washing whites with it, lemon is a nice essential oil to use. And you use 20 drops per container. So here's my lavender. Okay. And we mix it. Again, it's essential oil. It's a therapeutic grade essential oil. I don't use, I want to say the less expensive essential oils. Like you can get them, lavender, for instance, you can get relatively inexpensive if you go to Walmart. But keep in mind, when you do that, you are getting a synthetic made oil. So I quit using things like candles, etc. because of all the chemicals they put into the air. So I don't want to use an essential oil that just adds chemicals to me, my body, or any of my soaps or my lotions, etc. So I stick to Essentials Depot, and I use Young Living essential oil as well. Then it's simple from there. You just take here, you scoop it into the container. And it smells amazing, by the way. I am in a lavender kind of mood today. I made a DIY linen spray a little bit ago. And I like to spray my sheets and my bed when I'm changing out my sheets with a linen spray as I'm putting them on. And I made a lavender DIY linen spray, which you can see the recipe on the site. It came out wonderful, and it smells wonderful. So here you go. Simple, easy, cheap laundry soap with no chemicals in it. So, and it smells amazing. So we are ready to do laundry. How exciting is that? I hope you all have a great day. Thanks for joining.